Greetings colleagues once more. Now we are going to show you how to print in terms of secondary schools. Now you go to learner and parent information, learner data files, and then you go into your class report and statistics. Then you print your class statistics. Now once you get to print your class statistics on your site, it will print out a single page displaying class statistics. In my case, I am saving it at a different location, so it's fine colleagues. We continue. This is our class statistics. We are done. We go back to main menu, then we go into learner and parent information, then we print our subject registration summary. Since we are a secondary schools, all languages, all teaching in fact is done in English, so we are expecting this subject registration summary to have English all over. And then what you get is, in terms of grade 8, you get all the subjects for grade 8 all must be equal because all learners are doing similar subjects in grade 8 and also grade 9. Now once you get to a location like this where you have your 159, you will get what else, your 27. This school is a dual home language school where they do two different home languages, but when you add them together they should give you 186. So when you add a 9 and a 7, you will get a 16, and then you will carry the 1. Now 5 and a 2, you plus the carried 1, you get a 8. So now you have your 186. So that is how we validate that the two subjects, no one is allocated more subject than 9 subjects. Now when you move to different grades, in terms of grade 10, where you get your compulsory subjects for all learners, you will get the total of the class. So we are not going to be able to know which subjects are alternating in the school, but you will add the alternating subjects and then they will give you the total of the class. Now also when you get to your grade 11, the same law applies, whereby subjects that are alternating, whether it be 3 or 2 of them, they should give you the total of the home language. If it's 2 home languages, they should give you the total of the English because everybody does the English. So now you move to the second page, and then what you get is, you will also do it for grade 12 in terms of the subjects allocated. Then after that is done, you simply print your subject registration summary. Now this is your subject registration summary. Yours will print out a page, 2 pages in fact. Now we are done. Then you move into security and database, system errors and omissions. Then it will start checking. Then once it's done checking, you print your errors and omissions. So I simply clicked on max view, so it is filling up the whole screen. Let us wait for it, colleagues. Colleagues, this is a massive database, so it will take some time. While it's doing that, let's check on our time. Right, we are on 4 minutes. I think that shall do. It is responding, colleagues. It is just that I went somewhere, then I came back, so it is trying to give me attitude. It is giving me attitude like you know who. Well, if you don't know, then I can't help you, can I? And then we wait. I don't know, colleagues, it appears to be taking way too long. Okay, colleagues, this is what I'm gonna do for you. I'm gonna pause, and when it's done I will get back to it. Right, colleagues, as we have returned, it is done. Now once it's done checking, you simply click on checks, and then your attendance, as you can see, it's on 100. Your NSC exam, then no ID for 2 learners, no LURETs for 9 learners, but all learners books have been retrieved and everything is fine. So now you simply click on print, then you say print, say yes, it is telling you we are going to be printing one page. You say your errors and omission. In your case, it will pop out a single page in regards to errors and omission. Now you're done. You go back to main menu, go to LURETs approval, say okay. Then you get in here, school information, colleagues, it's on one. You click here, you approve, you say yes, say okay. Learner information, you click on show all current learners, you approve, you are okay. Then once you're done with show all current learners, you show all archived learners. You will also approve them, of course. And then once it's done, you will say okay. Right now we are waiting on it to approve all current learners, all 970 of them. It is checking. Okay, then you say okay, then you say show all archived learners, you approve, yes, it is approving them. Then we wait. Now you see, colleagues, when we are dealing with a large amount of learners and massive databases, they tend to take time. So if you have a lot of learners in your schools, just be patient with it, as I am being with this one. Although I hope it won't take up all our time, then we end up having to make an extension of this video. Alright, it's okay now. You say okay, then we move to educators. Once it's done, we show all current educators, we approve, yes, okay, we all archived, we approve, yes, okay, we move to staff, all current. Wait for the OK button so you can click it. I'm clicking OK button as I'm doing this. Don't be saying in your video you never click the OK button. I'm clicking it, I'm just doing it fast. Now it's validating staff information. Click here, approve, yes, okay, all archive, approve, yes. We go to the governance information, all active governance members, okay, all inactive, approve, yes, okay. Then once you're done, school info, learner info, educator info, staff info, governing, you go back to LURET status, you deploy. It is deploying, colleagues, as you can see it, it's rolling there. And then you go here, you say it informs you of what it will do, then you say yes. We are now compacting LURET's database. Let me check that time. It's not allowing me. Why, I would never know. I hope, colleagues, this database is not stuck. Today is particularly a rough day, colleagues. Not all is going as smooth as it should be. Databases not compacting.